All right, today we got all of our parts for our go-kart. So we're gonna pressure wash it off and clean it up good and put all of our parts onto it. Yeah. Ah. Put your foot behind that tire. All right, we're gonna change our spark plug first. Let's see if they gave us the right spark plug. Here's our goodie basket. We got new carburetors. We got new brakes.
I want to see about new brakes.
And spark plug. And filter for this. And then I got the new filter.
How much money was all that?
Okay, let's look. We got this and this. It looks pretty close. Let's put it in.
They count down in. That means we're videoing.
That's why I wanted to get a different air cleaner. Not working very good. So who knows what's in that motor? That's good to know. And this new one, it might work because that's out here, but we'll see if that hits or not. This should work a lot nicer.
Still hook up to it.
Thing's junk. It doesn't work. You should look at all the dust in that thing. Now we can put our cover back on. Now we got a good air cleaner on there. Here. I can feel it already leaking. I think I'm going to try to change out the screw. There we go. Now we know which way's off. All right. Turn that on. Turn the gas on. All right. We're gonna put new brakes on it. My clutch sticks once in a while. And I got a dry lube for that, but I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's working right. Like it needs something else. So I don't know if this part needs something or what. I was gonna try to put some grease on that because that doesn't really go into the belt. But I don't know a whole lot about these, so I guess we're just gonna try it out and see what happens. All right, so this part, I'm gonna just smear some grease on that. I feel like it needs to slide back and forth easy, and it's not.
We made it.
There we go.
There's some yummy snacks. Huh?
So we're gonna try that.
It's so good wet right now.
All right, we're gonna try that out. All right, I'm gonna take this wheel off. Hopefully I can get in here easier. All right, now we can see in here. All right, I have no idea what we're doing here. All right, I can't get these out. I got half the brakes out. So I have no idea how to get this out of here without actually dropping the whole axle, and I don't feel like doing that. So this new one, I'm gonna split in half and use the parts from it because it should be the same, looks the same. Where you at? Why would they make it where I can't slide the dumb thing off to get it out of there? That's the better question. All right, so this thing's full of junk. So these are the new ones. I mean, they are wore, but not that terrible. So it might just be all this gunk on the rotor that we're dealing with. All right, well, we finally got this. I don't know if I'm just stupid or, I mean, this is the first go-kart I ever worked on, but that was way harder than needed to be. Trying to get that thing in there. You can't, like, I don't know, maybe the newer ones, because this is what came with it. Maybe they're bolted on or something. I don't understand that part of it, but this is all welded, so there's like no moving it. And you gotta, like, I had to take this off, all this, just to get out of the way there. And then I had to swap the pin. I'll show you on this one, because this, how was it? It went this way in the go-kart, and they had this part up at the top. So I had to take that pin out, put it in the bottom and flip it around so it would work. And after doing all that, I kind of figured basically the adjustment screw right here was probably the only thing wrong with it. But hey, now we know. And it's got a new one, so I'll put back together and take it for a rip. And then I'm gonna change oil in it, hopefully. Probably gonna get oil everywhere, isn't it?
Yep. Oh, it's pouring. I think it's done. No, almost. There's just little drips of it.
All right, wipe it off.
It's getting.
Yeah, we got a big storm coming. It's pretty dark over there. We can hear it thundering and booming.
Engine's hot. How fun was this to ride? Pretty fun?
Yep.
Do you like it? Yeah.
But here we go. Let's take a look at what all we did. So, since we bought this so far, what did we do? We fixed the seat. I put new plywood underneath of it.
Yeah, because that
We lubed up all the cables. We straightened the frame out. I bought these pads, 1-inch pipe insulation from the hardware store.
You not line with the.
Got the seat belts working better.
Beep, beep.
We patched a hole in our gas tank.
No.
Changed the oil. We put the new air cleaner on there. Now we have the fuel shut off,
So easy.
and it should help
You don't ride it.
keep the dust out.
Backyard.
Put a new belt on it. I cleaned up the pulleys. We put new brakes on it. I tensioned the chain, lubed the chain. It's ready to go, other than this spring here. I don't know. I still don't know where that goes. I mean, the spring wasn't there when I got it. So I put that on there. But I think there's supposed to be a spring there, because without it, it doesn't pull the throttle back. So I still don't know where that goes, or where it's supposed to go, or what spring's supposed to go where, but hey, that works for now. We got $100 in it, maybe.
250 bucks.
I'd say call it $150 into it if we get new front tires. So 150 plus 250,
If we get new
you're looking at what?
that'll be like
$400? $400 go-kart.
500 for
I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty nice, runs good.
Yeah, we just need
So-
more oil.
Yeah, the kids love it. The thing, it's a ripper. It goes. For a 5-horse, I'm impressed. All right, well, we're gonna wrap this one up. If you like all this, please like and subscribe and watch our other videos. Have a good one. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.